Now then, boysies, can't lie, I have forgotten to pick up the camera. Yeah, I forgot to pick up the camera this morning. Do an intro. It's 20 to 6 now. Thursday, the 31st of July. That's July, done and gone. So we're moving. Yeah, I look dirty because I haven't got a shower, so I'm going to get home now and move some bricks around the back garden for the bricklayer, because I'm at work the weekend, so I can't labour for him. Back garden's coming along alright anyway, so get some bricks around for him, get sorted. Locked in with my diet, well, trying, I'm snacking on healthy stuff, but obviously it's just extra calories. Last night I had 60 grams of prunes, 100 calories, don't need to be eating it. Said I'm not going to eat it, don't need to eat it. And then I had an apple, and then what else did I snack on? I had 30 grams of cheese because I'm trying to cut back on the carbs. And then I could have done with just not eating the free snacks because it's just snacking. So today I said, right, that's it, no snacking, just have my Sunday off. But I've said that now, but we'll see how we get on, and I just have to leave the kitchen, just have to walk out the kitchen. That's what we have to do. Anyway, trading's going absolutely swimmingly. Very nice, very nice. The couple of losses have came for I think I've had 2 losses for the new entry on forward testing, so that's due anyway. That's not an issue at all because it's been absolutely on a win streak. And then I've banked a nice 3% today on my original, just trading as I normally do on the live account. I had some trouble, moved to Duplican or whatever, trade copier, Traders Connects, had a Bradley DAC, and then hasn't copied to my funded account. Funded account don't allow that EA trade copier, so I'm gonna have to set up a trade copier with Meta, with Social Trader Tools, and put one of my MetaTrader accounts on there, and then just copy it to them like that. There's a way around it, but it's just a bit of a nightmare because obviously the trade that doesn't copy obviously wins, which is thingy, but good problem to have, I suppose, because we pick the winners. So we move on. Up nice percentage on the month. Forward testing is extremely up, and then up some nice percentage on my live account, which is might be my best month. So best month this year, is it? Might be the best month this year I've had. So definitely had a turning point. Maybe it's just psychology in my head. I'm just firing at a trade like, yep, I'm in it. No, I'm not in it. Which is kind of the situation I wanted to be in. And every trader wants to be in. Does that stick or not? Does that meet the plan? Yes, no, don't take it, take it. Then ride it out. Definitely helped me being more involved in the market. I took that trade earlier on, and then I just left it. And then I think I checked, did I get it? And then I just checked it a few hours later, and I was like, oh, I'm in that trade, which is where I want to be honest. Other than that, yeah. Ride the wave, boys, ride the wave. So probably see moving some bricks. I've got 500, and then plus, like, I'm not dead, there's 100 on another pallet to move, and then a quarter bag of sand, I'll say. So I'm going to do an hour or so tonight moving, then get back on it tomorrow. So, yeah, buddy, that's where we're at. I'll see you in a bit. I'll pick the camera in a bit. I've already started setting out. Just put piles and then blocks. I think I put the Darbo on the blocks, he said. So we'll make these piles a bit higher. Bricks for the step, a bit higher. Yeah, go fetch some more bricks in the barra. Oh, we have a few bricks to move. A few bricks to move in the old barra. And then the sand. Pretty much set up. He said don't take up too much room. So left about half a pallet and then started bringing some sand around, but she's raining, so yep. Boys, just had my tea. I'm getting set down now. I'm going to do a bit of laptop work. It's 7:45. I'm going to do half an hour. I'm going to, I think, link Duplinka to an account on Social Trader Tools and then let Social Trader Tools copy my MT4 accounts across to each other. Just use Dublinka as a copy for like my not IC Markets, for my Seatrader accounts, and then that way I can still trade my copier on my prop account. Yeah, I think that's what I might do. Anyway, I need to do forecast and daily check-in. NFP tomorrow anyway, so I'm not trading, so I'll get that, can get it sorted over the weekend. I'm going to make a note now and then do some mathematicians and try and get logged into how many accounts to keep, how many accounts to put onto what and whatever. So a bit of a carry on, but improving have to overcome. It's getting expensive this. Oh, it's the 31st today, isn't it? It renews tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'll have to edit it now. Oh yeah, I just thought I'd share with you my just on the support. The trade I took earlier on. Literally, trend down, pulled back. I've seen a trend down, pulled back, bit of corrective. I was actually looking for a continuation there, but we broke high, broke low. This is indicating to me a range, ready for price action, which is what we got. See the range, and then we can see a break and a rejection. So literally that's waited 2 months to take that trade. So it feels like. And then what I just noticed while I was showing you, there is London Open or Frankfurt Open in line with that. This is my new entry. I wouldn't be looking at this, I would just be looking at where London opened and liquidity building above this area, and then a quick grab of the liquidity on London Open to continue with the daily trend. Daily trend's down. This is my new entry. I don't trade AU with it, but it looks like after this and there's one trade further back over here, I may have to start looking at pulling some data off it, just see how it trades. It may trade better than EU, a bit more corrective, trending, actively trending. So anyway, that's my 3% winner for today, which is nice to see, I suppose. Ticking the boxes, lads, moving on. All the best. Morning, people. Hope everyone is well. Absolute barnet on me this morning. How is everyone? Hope everyone's good. It's Friday. I've been up since 5. Actually, got out at 5 this morning as well for a change. I normally wake up about 5, roll over for 15 minutes, and then end up getting out about 1:15. Sometimes I end up dozing back off till past. But we're trying to nip it in the bud, Went to bed a bit earlier last night as well. That helped me wake up there, to be honest. Yeah, I've been doing one of the tenancy agreements. The tenancy agreement for moving properties up. So I've just messaged in there, said happy to renew it if you do an inspection. If I do it, come down and do an inspection. Just make sure the property's in good order. I'm getting after it this morning. I've just done my business spends for the property, done my business spends for the trading, and then I have morning routine, and I'm gonna, for the next 15 minutes here at 6 o'clock, I'm gonna jump on and start my ASR as well. Be productive. I've had a coffee. I've had a cup of tea all week, and then I've had a coffee today, like for my breakfast. And I can tell, tweaking, lads. Well, not tweaking, absolutely fingers are on fire on the laptop. I nearly swore that as well. Jesus. Anyway, yeah, I'll catch you probably in the van on the way to work. Have a chat. What more can you do, eh? Hey. But yeah, anyway, good moves trading. Best month in a while. So, see if we can continue the momentum. No, we will continue the momentum. I am looking to trade my new entry. I'll just be I've got a direct debit set up to buy some crypto every Friday as well. That's just came out. That's just pinged up on my phone. Small wins. Small. Sorry, I'm just reading that. Yeah, I'm looking to get involved in GU with my new entry. I don't mind trading NFP currently to test more data on it, and then the Nasdaq I'll be looking to trade it after NFP once the market's moved, see if it can get any setups. We don't get a huge spike off it, so if we get a huge spike, probably just sit on my hands. But yeah, set an alert on GU. I will, if I get in a position, I'll probably close it before. No, I will close it before NFP, not probably. Anyway, yeah, crack on now. Well done, boysies. So, I need there, to be fair. How's things going? Oh, I'm still setting off late. I've been up since 5, sat on the laptop, and then I ended up caught up in my monthly review there. So now then I've set off like 10 minutes later than I probably should. I'm still getting there on time, I suppose. Been going on. I'm getting after it. I'm locked in, not with the trading, but with the exercise. I've been nursing a leg injury, but it's just given me more like to get after it. I want to start running a lot more and further, and just pushing myself really, pushing myself more than I have been. And my diet's been a lot more locked in this week, especially the past couple of days. Well, yesterday I was like, right, this is what I need to be doing. So I've definitely feel like something's clicked there. My hamstring, been on the bike a lot, and just to nurse this hamstring a bit better. But it's come to a point this week where I've had to have a break from doing cardio and obviously train legs either. So I thought I'll have a week off it to get my leg better. But then it's just, I just need to get after it, to be honest. I just need to stop trying to do it and just do it. So I think on Sunday I have something in my head to say, start your run, start running again. Just get after it and just do it instead of trying to do it. So I've yeah, that's leg injury, and then what else? Yeah, the new entry, I've got 2024 to thingy. I minimised a lot of losses, but then it also took some percentage, so I was just asking ChatGPT. It varied from year to year, so from this year to last year, it still took a lot of the trades away, this tweak I made, but it went off there. It took a lot of losses away, but also took a lot of percentage away. This year it took a lot more percentage off last year, so I need more data on that, to be fair, before I implement the tweak. Just because obviously you're taking a massive amount of less trades, but you're taking a lot of percentage off. Only this year. Last year it took, I noticed it on last year's data, that's probably why it took a lot of the losses away and only a bit of percentage. But then this year it took a lot of percentage away, probably a bit too much. I'd be more than happy to get involved in the market a lot more for the percentage it took off. So yeah, that's where we're at with the new entry. And I noticed yesterday it works on USD JPY, so I ran through some back all the data, and the first, like this month on USD JPY, the new entry's been banging, and then tested it on January 24. It didn't look like something that I want to be getting involved in, the amount of losses compared to what I'm taking now. So, and then I also noticed last night when I was sharing the thing that it works on AU. I think it probably works on a lot of pairs. It works on EU, it does work on EU as well, but I need to obviously get the data and see where we're at. It does work on EU, so I need to get some data on that as well. It's just a process, isn't it? Just ticking the boxes, seeing what we can, how we can do it. I think trading London session is probably the one, like, to be honest. just trading to London and then moving forward. So yeah, anyway, Friday, we're moving forward, ticking the boxes, and we're achieving a few goals, to be fair, making some nice percentage, so yeah, all the best. Hello boysies, I went to get a shower at work, thought I'd forgot my stuff, so I didn't get a shower. Got in the van and my clothes were tucked in the door pocket of the van, didn't pick them out this morning. It's because I was looking at getting a trade. I had 3 winners today, so 6%, 6R, whatever you want to say, which is really good. Smashing it this week. I might vlog more often because every time I'm vlogging I'm winning. 3% yesterday, 6% today, 9% week. Well, I had 2 losses, so it's a bit less. I have 2 losses, so yeah. Anyway, I think my total last month was 22%. It was best month since like January 23 or something like that. So new strategies working anyway. That's the main thing. I thought that was a speaker on that. Yeah, on the way to the gym now. I haven't touched any hydraulic oil today, so probably won't stink the gym out of hydraulic oil. I'm just dirt being laid under a what the hell they're called? Not material handler. Container. No, on the shipyards, but they move the container. Move the containers on the ships, on and off the ships. I've been laid under one of them. So probably smelling good. Whoa. Cornering. Stick with the road. Yeah, so that's where we're at. I will see you in the gym. I don't know if I do some cardio on the leg. Might just go on the bike steady though. Just get after it. Aldi Costa Rican coffee. Instant nice. It's not so bad at all. So yeah. I nearly consistency scores just done me over on one of the challenges. Because I've made 6R today on the account, it's put me, I've hit the profit target because I've made 6R, because I'm not risking a full 1%. That's been my biggest day on the challenge account. So then it's put my consistency score up to maybe 35. I didn't know that it was the day, not the trade. So bit of a nightmare them consistency scores, aren't they? But I'm not really fussed by it because it wins, so I'll just keep winning. Yeah. So, but now I'm gonna have to get more profit. So if I enter drawdown now. Yeah. Anyway, that's how it is. I'm $500 off another challenge, counting phase 1. That's 100k. The other one's 50k. So I might have another 2 phase 2s running. Let's go with 1 phase 2 or a couple of phase 2s to help me due to slippage and stuff. I mentioned that in the video the other month. I've got 1 challenge in phase 2 anyways. Yeah, I'll see you probably in the gym, boys. Move some sand and bricks as well. Got my weekly review to do. So yeah, that's my night. Working, I'm in Saturday, Sunday. I don't know how many hours we're doing Saturday, Sunday, but I imagine Sunday is probably only 6. But yeah, all the best. Nice big push session, a little bit of a dab on. I got myself on the bike as well, which I haven't done all week. I just took it easy, ready to start running. Hit the ground running. And if I put it on here, I suppose I'm a bit accountable as well to running. So cardio anyway. Either start Sunday or next week. We're getting after it. I'm going to say next week, but I've got it in my head Sunday. So Sunday's no training day either. So if I come home from work and go for a run, then it's done, isn't it? Really. Then I can eat my cheap meal and get after it. Stuff my face with cheese. Convert. Yeah, buddy. Right. I'm gonna go and move some sand back on the shovel, son. Back on the shovel. Get after it. Alright. Hopefully, in the next clip, there's a bigger pile of sand there. Cut to it. But hey, bigger pile, another pile. Set up 4 to 1 cement. 1 cement, 4 thing if anyone's concerned or wondering what a mix is. And then another 2 barrels here. And then 5 bags of cement moved. Come together. Trying to get the garden level with the the wall is a bit of a nightmare, but get a slope on it, get a slope. Gone for a bit of a different tea tonight. We've run out of mince, no, not chicken, ran out of mince on unscrambled egg on toast. Probably should just be having the eggs, but can't say no to sourdough, can you? With a bit of butter on, Jesus Christ.
Mr. Yogurt Man. Want apple tea?
Yeah. How's that for the presentation? Just about to lock in and do my ASR for the week. So I just thought I'd show you the free trades I took. There was this one. I'm just seeing liquidity. All this liquidity come up to be swept. It's come up, swept it. We've got a shift as an entry. This is it. 15-minute time frame. We're in a downtrend. For me, that's my GU trade. I was in that. Got in it on the 8:15 open, and I was out of it by 9:30. So decent little trade. This is me Nasdaq trade. Same again. Just all this liquidity. Come on, swap the liquidity. Seeing a shift 50-minute time frame. Also seeing a trend to the downside. Looking at getting involved after NFP. This was NFP candle. On my other entry, I don't trade NFP, so it's a bit of a anomaly of the day off. But with this one, I'm having FOMC off, which is a Wednesday, and then I'm seeing how we react on NFP and CPI, basically. Yeah. So that was my other entry. Liquidity above here. 5 minutes. I don't want to give the strategy away, if you know what I mean, but I'll show you my entries. All this liquidity here. Am I looking at that? I'm not looking at that. All this liquidity, took the liquidity out, and then we've seen a nice shift to the downside. Prices continued, and then I was in that trade. Jump the 50-minute time frame. I got in at 2 o'clock, and then I was in it for. Actually, got out on this candle here. Again, set the TP wrong on TradingView. It is easy to set when it goes right, when you don't keep tabs on it. Like 2%. What did I get out for? I got out for 2.5%. Should have been US 10. Should have been 2%. So I got out late. But that's just when I market executed, create limit order. It just put me in at TB further down. That's why. I don't know. And then I took a trade on AU as well. Just I've done quite a bit of naked charting on here, but I haven't compacted the data yet. I've done lots of naked charting on it just to see it work. Really, just to see the entry work. All this liquidity above here. All this liquidity. Look, it's mapped out. It's mapped out. All this liquidity, we've come up, swept the liquidity, and then shifted to an entry. So literally that's it. Same again. On fire, trend to the downside. What more do you want? 6% on the day, passed a prop on the profit, but then the consistency scores kicked us in the ass. So I think it's another 2.5 winners or something like that. But I'm in no rush to be passing any prop firms. Take them as they come. I'm sick of jumping through hoops. I'm a funded account now. I'm going to have to put it on a separate copier. I'll just let them come to me now. I think I'm stopping chasing them. It is what it is. $500 off another one. As if I said this earlier on in the van. Anyway, yeah, there's the free trades I took today. Obviously, I do not trade these two with the on NFP day. This I was looking at this area Thursday, but then we cut off 3 in the morning there, and just a bit of a descend and then reaction off NFP. It would have been a nice liquidity sweep, but I would have wanted to see the most recent before the break of that area. There was actually a setup here on Monday. What was it? Monday, 3 o'clock, which is an absolute banker of a trade. It's just this for me. So we've come down, seeing momentum. Yes, we're seeing momentum. This is my thoughts behind it. Seeing momentum. I've seen no shift. I was waiting for that to break. I was waiting to get involved in this here. I was actually not going to get involved in this. Then we continued. This didn't convince me that this and then this, it doesn't look like momentum at all. When you see what we're breaking the lows like, and then we pull back with one candle again. I was just expecting this. But as we know, EU can do this, which it did. And then if you look down here, managing above the high, it's 17% trade. But bye to bye. On to the next. And then Monday morning, I'm just looking for this. Whoa. Oh, Jeremiah. Look for that. Right, I'll stop torturing you now, and that's my chart breakdown. ASR, let's go. Hello boysies! I'm on my way home from work now, just worked at 1 o'clock. Bit of a different, I didn't pick up the camera this morning, I think I just forgot. Must have just forgot. I was on with my trade copier. I'm gonna head home now, do my trade copier, and then I jump in the shower again, get dressed, but I don't know if the builder's coming in, I don't know if he wants me to help him or something, I don't know. It's not making any sense over text. And then we're going to Adam's event, watch him DJ at 3 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now, so in 2 hours he's DJing. Oh, what's going on here? Going the old fringe back. DJing in 2 hours, yeah, so we're going there to watch him. So I may have a couple of vodkas. Something a bit different his event. Yeah, anyway, so I'll catch you in a bit, probably catch you when I'm home. I'm a bit spotty today, son. I'm a bit spotty. Incredible month trading. Incredible. On to the next. Started August off with a bang, so here we go. Strap in, lads. Strap in. Whatever. Just landed back. I've got my food in the fridge, I was going to say. Food's in the microwave. So just jump on, sort out my trade copier. I just worked out how better it is to do what trade copier and what accounts on and what bundle of social trader tools, because my prop account stopped allowing the trade copier. So, sorry, distracted there. A boy, bit of mince, change, out chicken. So, don't know whether it's better for me to purchase. Sorry, I'm flinging these all over here. Don't know if it's better for me to purchase a package of 5 accounts, 10 accounts, or 2 accounts, because the only do packages, don't do individual. But I've found it is better for me to. I've worked it out this morning. I've done some quick math, and it's better for me to purchase. My head's gone blank. 5 account pack of social trader tools, and then have the rest of the accounts on Duplinkin or whatever it's called. So yeah, that's what's better for me to do. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, let's get after it, lads. Well, that was a bit of a ball in the ache. So what I've done is, couldn't tell you what I've done. What I've done is, my funded account, Seacrest, has banned EA copies, which Duplinkin is, which is who I moved over to. They only allow social trader tools. So what I've done is I've left an account on my Duplinkin copier, and I've put the account onto a social trader tools copier. So I'll execute on my own account. It'll copy through Duplinkin to my 5%ers account. Then my 5%ers account is on another copier, which will then, when that executes a trade, it'll copy to my funded account. So I'm using 2 copiers. I bet no one. I'd be very surprised if anyone else is doing this. I'd be very surprised if anyone's got a setup like this through 2 trade copiers. But at the end of the day, I'm working. I'm not. I was looking at the prices then. For I think it was a tenner a month, I could have saved by executing on my live account and then go open my fund account, executing, and then it copy into my other Seacrest account because I've got 2 Seacrest accounts. But for a tenner, I'm willing to reduce the risk if this works. I don't know if it will open a small position on Bitcoin, just see if it copies across. See how we get on, see if it opens. I might do that actually. We'll have a look. That's anyway. I'm 2:15, so 45 minutes I think to get ready. Rebecca's not in yet, but she's just phone called me to say that she's got some M&S cookies, them nice new ones, so I will be giving them a try. I've got a pistachio one. Power. Let's see. I'll give you some feedback. Right, in a bit. Yeah, I tried to trade a bit of BTC, just put a small lot size on. Didn't copy, so I've contacted support. But didn't copy on one account, but I'm not willing to test it on every other account. Just in case it knocks up though. Yeah, we'll run it. Here's Rebecca. That's about it. Oh yeah, babe.
Nice. I know.
It's fantastic. I don't know what's got on the top of it.
Pistachios, I think.
It's got like ice on the thing. It's not a 10 out of 10. No. It is Come on, Tommy, third.